You like her? She looks like a little spider. This is Doug's replacement. We're getting rid of Doug. 3, 2, 1. Dude, go fuck. When I said the other day that I don't that was adorable. I don't want to make this video anymore. I'm gonna go hang out with Zach. Willow, come here. Willow, I'm just a cactus. No. No. Willow.
Come here. Stand up. Oh. Guys.
Your siblings. That's disgusting. Hey, Doug. What do cats call a nice dinner? Fancy feast.